Number one thing to do with straight razor shaving is skin stretching. So I'm going to start from my sideburn, and what I'm going to do is stretch my skin up. Remember, a straight razor doesn't have a safety bar, so it doesn't pull the skin taut. That's your job. So I'm going to pull up and start by laying the straight razor flat against my face, and then working out to find the cutting angle. So as flat as possible, and then slowly increase angle. And when it starts catching, that is your sign that you have a good angle, and you need to kind of more or less maintain that angle, which is kind of the trick of straight razor shaving. I'm using very light pressure. And you'll kind of find that magic point where when it's first kind of flat, it's not doing its job, too much angle, you'll cut yourself. The way I hold a straight razor is like this. So I have a 3-finger approach. I've also seen some people do like this, 4-finger approach. It doesn't really matter. The goal is for you to kind of feel comfortable, and you put the handle up kind of, I always describe it as 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees. And it's almost like a foxtail. Think of it like that.